All right, welcome back to Mathematics for Computer Programming. So, whenever we talk about mathematics for computer programming, binary numbers comes very first because computers only understand binary numbers. That's what we have been hearing from a long time, and we will be talking about that in this video. So, what are actually binary numbers? The simple saying is binary numbers are numbers represented in zeros and ones. But that actually doesn't tells about how numbers are manipulated from decimal number format to binary number format. Like, I can say any number 125, 189, 38, 32, but how come we can represent all these numbers in format of zeros and ones? We'll be talking about that in this video. So this is our very first video in series of mathematics for computer programming. So let's take a simple number 189 and we will be playing around with this number and we will see how this number is being represented in decimal number format and same is being represented in binary number system. But when it comes to computers, they are electric devices and any electric devices can be in two states. Either it can be on or it can be off. For simplicity, we assume on as 1 and off as 0. So binary means 2 and decimal means 10. Means binary number system is number system in which there are only 2 digits, and decimal number system is number system in which we have 10 digits to represent our number. So when we say 189, it is actually in decimal number system, means we are talking in decimal number system. But when we say 101110 something like that, it means we are talking in binary number system. We will take a crazy number like that in next example, but first let's talk about 189. Bear with me for a second. We will talk about how this number is being created or represented in our decimal number system. Here we see 9 is at ones place, this 9, and we are multiplying 9 with 10 to the power 0. Just for sake, we can also say that we are multiplying 9 with 1 because 9 is at ones place, so we are multiplying 9 with 1 and that gives us 9. Coming back to 8 is at 10th place, so we are multiplying 8 with 10 and which is giving us 80. And similarly we are multiplying this one with 100 and this is giving us 100. Let's take a look at it a different way. We are multiplying here 9 with 1. We can also say that we are multiplying 9 with 10 to the power 0. Here we can say that we are multiplying 8 with 10 to the power 1, and here we can say that we are multiplying 1 with 10 to the power 2. Summing up these all, we will get 100 plus 80 plus 9 is our 189 back in our decimal number system. Okay, simple. That's very simple. We all know that. And this is what actually binary number system. The only difference is we will not multiply with this 10, but we will be multiplying with 2. Let's take a crazy number like this 10111101. We will try to see what actually this number is saying in our language. This is what computer will understand. 10111101 will be something computer can understand, but we cannot. We are humans, we understand decimal number system. So let's do the same method what we did here. We are doing the same here also. So we see here we can multiply with 1 with 10 to 2 to the power 0, what we did here, we multiplied 10 to the power 0, we are multiplying with 10 to the power 0. So similarly we can see 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 will give us 1, because 2 to the power 0 is 1, here 10 to the power 0 is 1. Similarly 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 will give us 0, again 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 will give us 4. Okay, so we can multiply all these numbers with 2 raised to the power whatever the um, place of that number is. Summing up this all, we are adding this 128 and this 0, this 32, 16, 8, 4, 0 and 1. After adding these all numbers, we see we are getting back our number 189. So we can say that 189 will be represented 10111101 in decimal number system. So far we took 189, we saw how it is being represented in decimal number system, and then we took a number and we saw how it is representing any number in its own way. Then we converted back the number in decimal number system, and we saw that 189 is representing 10111101 in binary number system. In next video we will talk about conversion of any decimal number into binary number, and we will also write a computer program in C++ to convert any given decimal number into binary number or get back any decimal number from binary number. Thanks.